My name is Tom Rohlfing. I'm an Enterprise Select client executive supporting ExpS Scripts and 3 other customers. I've worked at VMware for 2 years. ExpS Scripts is a PBM, so that's a pharmacy benefit management company. That's basically the home delivery of drugs. It's working with employers and health plans to make sure that they're getting the best price on their drugs through the patient, whether it's at retail or home delivery. They're a $110 billion company, part of the Fortune 100, 30,000 employees. It's amazing growth for ExpS Scripts. They got up to about $45 billion before they merged with Medco Health Systems in April of 2012, essentially doubling the size of the company. Recent acquisitions have really strained IT infrastructure. There's a new executive team in place on the IT side that's looking for quick wins. They need to prove their new way of doing business to the business. Really what we're trying to do is get away from this siloed stovepipe IT infrastructure and allow more time for innovation. Less time keeping the lights on and more time to innovate. With VCE, EMC, VMware, Pivotal, RSA, we're all running our independent sales cycles, somewhat in parallel with each other, but not necessarily in concert with each other. We sat down with Federation interlocks and account planning sessions, the entire group, both in St. Louis and in New Jersey, and I shared my account plan. I shared my eValue prompters. I shared action items that came out of a hub and spoke. I shared my business alignment documents, and the rest of the team did the same. And we came up with a solution that made sense for what ExpS Scripts is trying to achieve. And we found that in order to meet the needs of the customer, the best thing to do would be to sell them that business outcome and IT outcome at the same time, and get away from individual products and technology and really talk about delivering business value for the customer. That's exactly what we did. The first interaction we had with ExpS Scripts around Federation Enterprise Hybrid Cloud and Pivotal Cloud Foundry was in the Pivotal Labs environment out in San Francisco. We were able to get key influencers, key executives out there. It energized them into looking at a way of doing business away from the traditional process that they've had for years. It was a 2-day executive briefing. By the end of the second day, they encouraged us, the customer asked us to go into breakout rooms and really help them put together a workflow or action items that they can apply through Pivotal Cloud Foundry on vCloud Air to solve some of these business problems. So it was a $5.8 million deal that included 2 instances of Federation Enterprise Hybrid Cloud, 2 different data centers. It also included vCloud Air, NSX, vRealize Automation and Operations. We expanded that environment. I guess the most important part of the deal was IT transformation services. Not just technology, but people, process, and technology. So we're in the process of working through that professional services engagement right now. And we'll leverage that to pull together an $8 to $10 million ELA we've got on the table for 2016. It's an exciting time to support ExpS Scripts for VMware.